Hi there. Here's a quick video to show how to upload galleries, how to manage your galleries within the backend of Splittone. We'll just start off with going over some of the very basic core features of the gallery settings. So we'll go into the backend and we will go over to our content settings. And you find it if you go to Flow Theme and you click on content settings, you'll be taken to this page here where essentially you can update the way you want to display the content for every section of the website individually. So we'll just scroll all the way down until we find our galleries. So essentially we have two options how to display our galleries. We have a slide effect, and then we also have a flex effect. Alright, so the difference between slide and effect is, and I'll just go here, if you click on a gallery in particular, you will go straight over to viewing it in slide effect, which is this right here. Basically, it's a horizontal scrolling bar. All right, so we'll go back, and if we switch over to flex effect, it just gives us the opportunity to actually view the galleries in a different setting. All right, but one of the things you have to remember when making this this update is that this does not set the setting for every gallery that has been published to this day. What this setting does in particular is that it sets the general setting for all galleries. So, and I'm going to explain what that means in just a minute. So I'm going to open up our gallery, this specific gallery within the backend, and we see here that our setting is slide, and then we also have a flex setting. Okay, so I'll go ahead and update our image gallery. I'll refresh this page. I'll click on our gallery one more time. And here we have the flex setting taking this effect. Alright, so the difference between setting, choosing your gallery type, slide, or effect within a particular gallery and within content settings is that content settings will set by default. It will set it as slide or flex depending on how you want it to relate. So for example, if I want it to be flex on all galleries, and maybe some galleries I'll use the slide effect, the system will automatically already pre-select flex for you. But you do have to make the changes for each gallery individually if you want to see the change actually take effect. So we're going to leave this at a slide for now, and I'll just go ahead and update it to bring it to its original state. Okay, so the other option we have here is if you go to Flow Theme and you click on Post Settings and you scroll once again all the way down until you see Gallery Settings, and we have an option here to load gallery posts via Ajax. So what this means, currently it's disabled. If we enable that option, and I'll click on Update Settings, if you remember, when we clicked on the gallery, we would be redirected to the actual gallery, just like this right here. Okay, since we just updated our settings to load Ajax, I'll have to refresh our portfolio page. I'll click on our same gallery. And here we have the view. It looks a little bit differently. It looks actually similar to the flex effect, but it gives us a quick preview of what's inside the gallery. And then you can click on the title to actually view the full gallery in the slide effect or the effect that you've chosen for it. Alright, so this is what the Ajax effects does for us. It just gives us the ability to quickly preview our galleries before we enter the full gallery post. Alright, so the key thing to remember when just setting these two settings is that if you want to have a quick preview for your galleries, just make sure you select load galleries via Ajax, yes or no. And the other thing is that whenever you select your gallery post layout is that these only take effect for the actual setting of a new gallery, not for the existing galleries. Okay, so now I'll show you how you can add and how you can create new galleries. So you go over to galleries and you click on add new, and we'll just insert our gallery title as boudoir. Then we'll click here, click on add media to upload image files. So we'll click on upload files. I'll select all of these images, drag them here. Alright, so once our images have all been uploaded to our gallery, what we need to do, just scroll down here to make sure that they're listed to the full size, because sometimes the system can automatically set them to thumbnail, medium, or large size. So be sure that they're in full size. And then we simply close the upload box because the images have already been virtually attached to our boudoir gallery. So we'll go ahead and close this. We select then our category, which would be boudoir. You can always add a new category if that would be necessary. You can add your tags, and then you set a featured image. Now the featured image, it's very important to have that featured image set, because what it does is it sets the preview image for the entire gallery. So I'll go ahead and set our featured image, and you click this button over here where it says set featured image, and you will see it appear here on the right hand side. Once again, we have the option to select either slide or flex effect. By default, the system has already set it to be slide because that was our setting over here. And you can add additional information if that would be necessary, something for your SEO, for Google to make ties to your website more easily. So once again, that is just optional, but currently we are ready to publish our gallery, and so we'll go ahead and publish it. Alright, we'll go back to our gallery page, refresh it. Okay, and here we have our boudoir gallery, which we just uploaded. So if we click on it, click on boudoir, it takes us directly to our gallery, which was just uploaded. So this is how you create galleries and create featured images or preview images. As you will notice, if you do not upload a featured image, for example like wedding 1, you will have just a blank space over here. You may even have images uploaded to the gallery like this image here, but it is important to make sure that you do have a featured image. So this is pretty much it in terms of how to add content, how to upload galleries to your portfolio section, and we do hope this video helps. Thanks.